Hello everyone, welcome in the part 2 from tutorial about modeling Ferrari Enzo. Today we're gonna do definitely the front bumper, rim I believe. We're gonna finish our fender, that will be first actually. And yeah, let's begin. Before everything, I noticed I screw up with this bevel weights because every single one I set up to 1. It's here where it was item. Excuse me, where are you? Never mind. Okay, so all of them are at 1 and Blender really don't get it. This shouldn't be a little less sharp than this. So later I'm just gonna delete every single bevel weight and set up again. But for now, seeing shape, we're gonna leave it and yeah, continue to our model. So for now, we're gonna maybe not finish, but making more reliable our fender. Then we're gonna jump to our bumper. So for now, we're gonna do front light hole. Simple. We're just gonna select edges around it and slide it a little bit. Now we're gonna select all of the faces that our glass in, our headlight are in, and we're gonna press E to extrude it. Now right click and scale this down. Go into vertex mode and adjust it by not moving by hand, just pressing double G or shift V, align in on the edges. So now when we want to move it here, press double G, align to this edge and press C, so we can extend our movement. Do everything. Okay, looks fine. Maybe just make it straight. Here is okay. Okay. About this part, don't worry, we're gonna make it after. We can move this one here, will be easier later. After, when we're gonna apply the subdivision at level 1. Maybe not in edit mode. As you see now, we have more verticals to place, so this will be later. Now we're gonna leave it like this. We're gonna add just one loop here. Now it's not looking too good, but it will work, and that's what we want. Now we're gonna press selection. Okay, our headlight is done. We're gonna set up our origin to geometry because we can now, because our mirror is attached to the empty that fly above. Okay, now we're gonna make the event. So just adding edge loops, Control R, just to make same distance here. Try to make it the same distance. Now select those two, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna extrude both. Okay, we're gonna extrude both down, and now we're gonna delete you, and you. Should work fine. Yes, I'm gonna make triangles. I'm a bad guy. But if this is gonna work, then I don't care if it's gonna look good without any artifacts. So, or subdivision. Nice and smooth. I don't care. It stay like this. Nope. Okay. So our Fender is kinda done. Now we're gonna jump to our bumper. Like always, I will select fenders and mask, and now we're gonna duplicate this outlines. Slide it a little bit on X and on the Z axis. Now we're gonna make selection to different object. Gonna hide this. Select Ctrl J to connect both. Then now Alt H to unselect. Okay, now we're gonna merge them by pressing M, and we're gonna merge them at center. It's work. So now we're gonna start from making this. Where's my cursor? I lost it. Of this nose. As you see, no, you don't see. Maybe you see. We're gonna make this line here, everything to this point, and yeah, you're gonna see the rest. I have this in my mind, so I'm gonna extrude it to this point, make it something like that. Now we're gonna twist it. Okay, now we're gonna leave it here, and the second one we're gonna add here. Set up everything. Move it a little bit to the left. Squeeze them. And yeah. Where is the dam? Oh, here. I'm gonna turn off bevel weight on this. It was here because we copied the bevel weight edges from our previous object. Moving everything by pressing double G, and I screw something, but we're gonna fix it quick. Move it back to align with blueprint. You will be here. No, you wasn't here. You was here. What I'm saying, what I'm talking about. We're gonna move it by hand to the left. Okay. It's looking okay, or no? Straight lines, looking good. Recalculate outside for the first time, because when we later gonna extrude this part, it's also gonna swap orientation, shade auto smooth, and we good to go. Now, what now? We can try extrude this here. Actually, go here. Okay. And now, what's now? This should go like here. You will go here. What will happen when you connect this? It will be ugly edge here. We don't want it. Because later we have to make it sharp and it will go here. What if you will go here? 1, 2, 3, 4 should go like this, and you will go 1, 2, 3, and 4 like this. Perfect. Okay, so most of the time making stuff like this, it's experimentation. So don't be worried if something don't go like you really want. Just play with this a little bit longer and everything will be okay. Now I have a problem here. Do like this. Select those edges and go. I got them. And now everything will go back. Yeah, this one have to be sharp. Actually, not here, but here. So do it like this. Make them like this. Control V and smooth verticals. Not bad. Okay. We're gonna think later when we're gonna make the edges sharp. Now we're gonna do this part over here. So how we can do it? We can do select those, extrude it here, or we can extrude, add loop here, and extrude this thing to this point. we're gonna leave this here and let's try option number 1. We're gonna scale this to 0 on the y-axis to make it straight. One and 2, because there's are 2 verticals already. It's important to, this will go here. Play in other axis before we're gonna make something bigger. Dissolve edges, not by single. Okay. Are you above this line? You're here. You're here. Okay. Now adding 2 more here. Slide down. All right. Looking good for now. Okay, now it's start looking better. You go here, you go here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Yeah, great field. We can do also like this. And now looks a little bit better. No worries, later it's gonna match perfectly. Now we're gonna back to bevel weight. You have go lower. You a little bit higher. Who are you? Okay, not bad. I will accept this. Remove those edge. And now we're gonna make it all right. Wait. Delete verticals because we want only this for now. Later on we're gonna extrude it. Anyway, the same. Okay. No, not too far. Not too far. Make this here. Loop tool, G-stretch. If you don't have loop tool, you have go to edit, preference, click add-ons, and type here loop tools. Be sure it's checked. It's very useful add-on. Everyone should have it. Okay, now we're gonna put it here. Rotate. Scale this in Z-axis. Align it here. Move it on X-axis. To this point. Oh my goodness. Yeah. G-stretch. Oops. My bad. We're gonna extrude it again. Rotate it. Okay, now it's perfect. Add one more here because it's curved. Later we're gonna add a couple more just to keep it our mesh clean. Okay, no, dissolve it. Okay, now we're gonna select this magnet and click the vertex. When we press G, it's flying like this, and just align with this vertex. Select everything, merge by distance, and it's automatically connected. And now we can do like this one, going blah 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 blah, but I think the quicker option will be select this, turn off the magnet, extrude it, play a little bit, good. Okay. Oh, you see the invert normals in 3, 2, 1. Recalculate outside. Invert normals, whatever. Actually, not whatever, it's big difference, but we're gonna select, use loop tool, and relax. Again, very useful add-on. It's not aligned, so turn off, move a little bit lower. Okay, now we're gonna extrude it down, play a little bit, hop. Looking good, so now just, oh, you here. Okay, and we're gonna merge them, move them maybe here. Merge the last one, and Yep, our fender is almost done. Now we can extrude inside of the air vent. And whew, it was tough. Okay. Extrude it inside because of this. And this, but not really this. We're gonna move it here. And over there. Okay. Did I miss something? I'm not sure. Definitely I missed something, but we're gonna try make it sharp for now. Yeah, anyway, later we're gonna use the... how to name it? Bevel weight. I'm still new into this. It's nice here. This one is rounded. And this one not. Okay, this one goes here and here and should go to the end. Okay. This one goes like here. You going there. Okay. And the last one goes here. And actually this one is okay, but it shouldn't be so sharp. I'm gonna delete all of this extra edges in second. I'm okay with this. Look, not bad. Definitely here we need some fixes, some adjustments. You will go lower, you will go higher, because this line is a big mess. Okay, okay. This should actually go not here, but somewhere here, I think. Yep. It's... oops. Oh, alright. We're gonna do it. I'm gonna do it later. Definitely gonna record it, but first I'm gonna have to find a solution for this and this bumper, because it will go here. I will think about this later. Okay, so now safety first, and Oh, this one. Come on. I did it too fast because this is one part with it. So we're gonna delete it. The thickness of our Fender. And now I'm gonna extrude it. As you see here, later it goes to the doors and the rear quarter. We're gonna do it and goes here. Scaling the Z-axis and make it number 1 for now. Okay. We're gonna add thickness again. It was full diffy. Do only rim. No, simple. Okay, accept full diffy and bevel this. Okay, now it looks better. Align it here. Just for now, it won't stay here forever. This connection here is not nice also. Actually, go and select everything. Smoother, nice. Maybe not nice, nicer. Oh. Okay. Here is good. Add some loops here and here. And all right. Bevel it. Okay, so we done with fender, with bumper, with hood for now. Later adjustments with the bevel weights and with the sharp edges here. It also will be bevel weights. So yeah, now we're gonna jump to our rim, I think. I need to find a good photo. Standing Enzo, somebody. Next. Oh. Okay, so I have photo. It's look like this. So we're jumping 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cursor to the center. We're gonna add what circle? We're gonna make it with 100 verticals and rotate in x-axis by 90 degree. Now scale this down and scale this here. From here, actually scale it here. Okay, rotate like this. Nice. And I think we're gonna leave it this part or this part also. Okay, now we're gonna leave this and we're gonna make a model only on this vertical. So now when we have select this, Control A, invert selection, and we're gonna delete the rest of it. And now we can jump and make our rim arms. Of course, scale this here, go into edge mode, extrude it down. Actually, add one in the middle, because we're gonna do both, and then we can make only one. Delete faces. We're gonna add a modifier mirror, and yeah, way better. Merge distance a little bit bigger, not too big, but a little bit bigger. Okay, now we're good to go. They go somewhere to this point, like straight one from here. And now extrude them again. They go a little bit back. Extrude this here. This will go here. All right. What now? So everything is connected to our arm. So wait a moment. First, we're gonna add array modifier. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Factor to 0. Now we're gonna add an empty. Don't change position. Don't even try. We're gonna add object offset and select our empty. This is gonna be empty 1. Okay, now it's screw. It's too big. It's word and the rest of the word. We're gonna press Ctrl A and apply rotation and scale. Now when we press R is rotate. Nice on our empty. 350 divide by 5, 350, 360. 360 divided by 5 is 72. In this axis, 72. Nice. Now we see how much of the faces we don't need actually. Delete those verticals. No. Okay, anyway, we're gonna leave it like this now. Wait, merge the first thing, first and the last, and this looks already better. Go somewhere here to the middle. Okay. Or no, we're gonna do it different. We're gonna do it like here in our mirror modifier. Extrude it. Better not ask. Okay. Just for a second. Okay. Now let's work. If we want to rotate, we have to select both and rotate to original position, and yeah, okay. Select empty and the object, and we can work again in the same place. Scale this down. Go here. Okay, and this one was lower. And this also lower. Okay, and now extrude it a little bit lower, and this part of arm should be good. Make it smooth, make it sharp here. Actually from here goes here, so we're gonna do it something like this, or we're gonna do again, my brain doesn't work. Okay. Working again. Or not. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alt J. It would be nice. And you can go. You shouldn't be here. Relax. Yeah, more something like this, like now. Okay. Or like this, and okay. I know here is a big mess, but we're gonna fix it by maybe not relax, but space. And later, when we apply everything, we're gonna use circle here and here, and it's gonna work perfectly. Should work perfectly. Now with this, go down inside. Okay. Dissolve edges. And make them up to this point. You will go here, connect, and I think our rim is done. Here, here, here. This one should be okay. One more correction. However to name this. This one can stay. V. Oop. vertex, go here. And now we're gonna add extra loops here and ups and here. I know it's chaotic right now. Sorry for this. I'm also tired today, but you really like this this series, I think, so we're gonna make it good. Okay, select everything. We're gonna merge them by distance. 1, 2, 3. Make it a little bit big. Not like this, not too much. Okay. When you increase this, just sketch vertices are near to this point. Turn off. I hope you understand what I did just, because the rims go. Oh my. I don't believe those. Never mind. Okay. Okay. It's good. This is good. Move it a little bit here. Looks good. Extrude it a little bit lower. Make it sharp. Voila. Okay, now we're gonna accept, I believe, first mirror, array, subdivision no, and now we're gonna do the thing what I said. So loop tools, make it space, loop tools, circle, also here, space, circle, rotate it to make it straight. And this gonna be, this should be already here. So yeah. Ring for our Enzo is done. Make it a little bit bigger. Okay, rim is done, and now make it sharp. This one actually doesn't have to be here. This should be something like this. No, I'm gonna leave it. Now I'm gonna circle with 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 verticals. So 8. We're gonna rotate them in x-axis by 90 degree. Scale this 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, perfect. Okay. Actually, leave it free by selection. You don't need anything. Okay. Subdivide. Subdivide now. Loop the circle. Origin to geometry. A place for Ferrari logo and actual screw. Make it circle. Auto smooth and now our rim is done. Our front is done, so our movie is done. In next one, I'm not sure. Maybe we're gonna continue with the car, or maybe it's gonna be short one. How I'm fixing everything in this area. So stay tuned and see you next time.